of course, on behalf of Tampines Central Community Arts and Culture Community, we'd like to give all of you a big warm welcome in joining us for our Tampines Central Arts Exchange Workshop. Alright, so this is the very first one in a series of 6 workshops where we attempt to bring art directly to the comfort of your own home. Okay, so right now, before we actually start, alright, so just to make sure that all of you can hear us perfectly.
Now, okay, let's have a look now at what we have in front of us, the book. Yeah, so this. To answer for me, is this a boy or a girl? Because, okay, the fun thing I'm going to do is also, I haven't actually decided what I'm going to draw. I'm going to decide based on what you guys are choosing today, okay? So yes, let's try this. No? Yes, you can watch the book. Okay? Yeah. So alright, let's just take half a minute, okay? Let's see. Alright, can I? Okay, so good. It's not one big, one small. Yeah. Before you even go into the details. Yeah. Because you don't want to, wow, I detail it so nicely. Then, wow, so detail it so nicely. Then you don't have to decorate anymore. All the decoration is optional. Okay. Yeah, so these are some references in case for some of you, you need a reference to look at. So that's the reference that you can look at now. So we'll just spend about.
I hope I'm getting it right. Okay, so just a very thank you so much, giving me the thumbs up. Okay, so let me just ask a very quick question. Since I'm a totally new beginner, I believe a lot of boys and girls, daddies and mummies are in the same situation as I do. So, what is the #1 tip you would give beginners like us on how to actually improve ourselves further in comics arts?